I honestly reckon one of the hardest things about being an adult is gifting and like birthday gifts and birthday parties and all that kind of stuff, because I don't know, by the time I'm like 20, I've already given so many gifts, especially if I've been dating for a couple of years. So something that I really love to do is actually DIY my gifts. What I'm making today is actually something for my mom because she's really picky. My mom is one of those typical Asian moms who, when you buy her something and she doesn't love it, she feels like she's wasting your money and then she makes you go and return it. And every time she makes me go return a gift, I actually feel just so annoyed about it. I'm gonna make her something so she can't tell me to return it. But are other people's moms not like that? So now we are just tilting it around. And you see, because of that medium I poured on at the very beginning, it just flows really smoothly. Ta-da! If you want to make something like this for yourself or as a gift, come to the Fluid Project and we'll do a session with you and we'll create something magical. Okay, see you soon.